Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Teen Titans Dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Teen Titans Dimension. I just hope when we make it inside this absolutely amazing Teen Titans Dimension, I get to meet up with Starfire, Raven, Cyborg, Beast Boy, and Robin. And maybe if I'm super lucky, guys, they will even let me join the Teen Titans and whoop up on some bad guys. That would be amazing, guys, if I got to whoop up on some bad guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 red wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur-lined wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your red wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your red wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 line wool right on top, guys. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down. Son of a Robin's baby hands, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 red wool on this side, and then 5 red wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 lime wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. Wow, that does look amazing. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Teen Titans Dimension. Hopefully when I make it inside this dimension, I meet up with Robin and he takes off his gloves and shows me his baby hands. But wow, right here we are, guys, and wow, that is an absolutely humongous Teen Titans tower. Hopefully they let me join the Teen Titans and then I can live in the Teen Titans tower, guys. That would be amazing if I got to live inside this place. But let's go ahead and check out the inside, guys, and wow, this place is amazing. And oh my god, do they have an elevator? Oh my god, I gotta go up the elevator, guys. I gotta test this out. Hopefully it doesn't break on me. But wow, this is amazing. And what's inside this room? Oh my god, guys, they have prisons inside the Teen Titans tower. Wow, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and lock my pig up inside this one, guys. So let's go ahead and let's just lock my pig up because he's been a really bad pig. He actually pooped in my toilet last night. He clogged it up. I told him, I'm like, did you poop in it? He told me he did not poop in it. He put toilet paper over his poop, and then I went to go plunge it, and poop got everywhere, guys. It got all over the walls and everything. And he's just an evil, evil, evil pig. And I'm never letting him out, guys. I'm never letting him out after what he did to me, guys. I'm afraid he'll try to do it again. He'll try to poop in my toilet and make me plunge it again. And I don't want to do that, guys. I definitely don't want to do that again. But let's go ahead and see what's in this room. Oh my god, this must be their living room. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Over here's their table, guys, where they obviously eat all of their cereal and everything, guys. And occasionally they jump up on it and start to shake their butt. Oh yeah, shake my butt to the left, shake my butt to the right. Oh yeah, shake my butt all night because I have a really good butt shaking table, guys. Like, I would do this all the time, guys. I do this all the time. Like, I'm going to do it from now on, guys, because that is the best butt shaking table ever. But they also have a really nice sofa and a really nice television, guys. I could just imagine sitting on this sofa, watching the TV, and eating some enchanted golden apples. Hopefully really soon, I'll be watching the TV and actually see myself on the TV in the Teen Titans, guys. Hopefully they take me in and they let me on their show, guys, because that would be amazing. But let's go ahead and check out the kitchen. This is obviously the kitchen, guys. Wow, it is amazing. Oh my god, do they have a double-sided refrigerator? Wow, guys, they obviously need a lot of room in the refrigerator for Robin's avocados. They also have a really nice stove, and this is obviously where Robin cooks all the food because, as we know, Robin cooks everything, guys, because he's avocado man. They also have a sink, and I know what they do in their sink, guys. Everybody does it. They take a bath in their sink. Why would you want to take a bath in a bathtub when you have a perfectly good sink that you can do it in? It never made any sense to me, guys. And if you want to be super cool, just take a bath in your sink, guys. It's amazing. Trust me, there's nothing like it, guys. But overall, guys, I really do love their kitchen. But let's go ahead and check out the rest of this place, guys. And wow, this is obviously where all their bedrooms are, guys. Whose bedroom is this? This must be Beast Boy's bedroom. And ew, it is really stinky and really dirty inside his bedroom. But he does have a really nice bed and a really nice TV, guys. I really love his bed and I really love his TV. But this room is just too stinky for me, guys. I'm afraid my nose is going to fall off my face. So I'm just going to leave. I'm going to leave before my nose falls off. This is obviously Raven's room, and wow, she has a really nice bedroom, guys. And oh my god, does she have a computer? I bet she plays Minecraft on this computer, probably like every day of her life. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just broke her Minecraft computer. She's going to be so upset at me, guys. Oh my god. But let's just go ahead and forget about that and just jump on her bed because she has a really nice bed. I could definitely sleep on this bed. Actually, no, I couldn't because this room is really scary and it's really starting to freak me out, guys. All of these heads just like watching me. Oh my god, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. This room is just too scary for me, guys. Whose bedroom is this right here, guys? This is obviously Cyborg's bedroom. And wow, does he have a closet? Oh, there's nothing in the closet. But he does have a really nice bed, guys. Wow, I really do love his bed. It's nice, bouncy, and jumpy and everything, guys. But why does he have a toilet in his bedroom? This don't make any sense. Does he just like want to roll out of bed and roll onto the toilet? He has a fishing pole, guys, right next to it. Obviously, he goes fishing in the toilet. I did that once, but all I caught was brown fish. And they was really stinky, guys. Really stinky brown fish. So don't go fishing in the toilet unless you want to find brown fish, guys. Trust me. I mean, it's pretty cool within itself, but oh my god, this must be Starfire's room, and oh my god, how did my pig get out of that prison? Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe he broke out of that prison, but wow, guys, Starfire has a really nice bed. I really do love her bed. I hope he didn't stain it, though, guys, but wow, this place is amazing. I love her flowers, guys. She has really nice... I just broke her flower pot. Oh my god, I think my pig's gonna tell on me, and then she's gonna come back and shoot me with her laser vision. I'm leaving. I'm leaving before he tells on me, guys. I do not want that to get out, guys. I do not want that to get out. But wow, this is amazing up here. And oh my god, do they have a swimming pool inside here? Wow, we're definitely gonna have to go check that out, guys. But whose bedroom is this? Oh my god, this must be Robin's bedroom. Wow, I cannot believe I'm actually meeting up with Robin in his bedroom and jumping on his bed. Wow, this is so amazing. Oh my god, he also has a bunch of trophies. Wow, guys, this is absolutely amazing. I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with the leader of the Teen Titans. Can I join the Teen Titans? If I blow up the swimming pool so nobody can have fun, can I join the Teen Titans? I can? Oh my god, I gotta go blow it up, guys. I gotta go blow it up because Robin hates for people to have fun. So I gotta blow it up, guys, so I can get into the Teen Titans. But before I do it, I'm gonna go for a 360 dive into the swimming pool. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh my god, wow, that was absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. But now it's time to blow up this swimming pool so none of the other Teen Titans can swim in it, guys. So let's just go ahead and light this TNT and run. Oh my god, I gotta run before it blows. Oh my god, boom. Oh my god, wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Now I need to blow up Robin's room so he can see that I blew up the swimming pool and he can let me in the Teen Titans, guys. Oh my god, it's gonna blow. Boom! Oh my god, whoa! I went flying way up in the air, guys. Wow, I almost flew out of the Teen Titans Tower. That was amazing, guys. But I think he's gonna let me in the Teen Titans now, guys. I definitely think he's gonna let me in because now nobody can have fun in the swimming pool and they will have to work for Robin for the rest of their life. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.